Are you noticing that you're tired a lot? Maybe you're gaining weight and suffering from what I would call a mysterious pain or a mysterious illness. It could be that your liver is giving you symptoms that it needs your help. The liver is an organ that is underappreciated and overlooked. Still, your weight gain, joint pain, inflammation, moods and behaviors, brain fog, headaches, backaches, and so much more may be due to an overworked liver. Actually, your liver is your battery that helps to give you energy. When this battery gets low, so do you. After all, it stores the sugars used for energy. Your liver has a lot to do with that weight you can't get rid of because it metabolizes fat. The liver should be that organ that we admire like our hearts. But unfortunately, many of you have no idea about the power of your liver or its connection to your pain and health problems. Now, there are steps you can take to improve your liver and greatly improve your health. After all, it is also the only organ that can repair itself with a lifestyle change. The good thing is that specific foods can be used as a natural medicine to repair your liver. If you want to feel better, get more energy, lose that weight, and get back to the real you, then I invite you to join me and a host of others as we target our liver in a 30-day liver health challenge. So why a challenge? Well, a challenge means you are going to push yourself and set a goal to achieve something. The goal here is a healthier and happier you. And also, I want you to know this. Studies and scientific evidence prove how the liver restores itself after a healthy diet was implemented. And as a board-certified nutritionist who focuses on liver, kidneys, and gut health, I've developed a system that has been proven to change your life. The secret is using food as natural medicine. So are you ready to feel better, smile more, sleep through the night, and wake up refreshed with no more mysterious pains? Then follow the details in this video to learn how you can join me in my next liver health class. I hope to see you there.